Codefresh is a modern DevOps automation platform with comprehensive CI/CD pipelines and dashboards. Codefresh integrates with your existing tools and platforms to provide additional functionality and features. Our newest integration enhances the information in your Codefresh GitOps deployments and adds further details to your Jira deployment history. To set up the integration, follow these steps. Open your Codefresh account. Navigate to Account Settings in Codefresh at the bottom left of the page. You will see Integrations option on the left-hand side. Once you access the integration section, you will get an overview of the integrations that can be set up within Codefresh. Scroll down to Atlassian Jira and click on Configure. Select Add Integration. This will open a separate screen that allows you to authenticate either with the Codefresh Marketplace app or through Jira with your Jira account details. In this tutorial, authentication will be through the Codefresh Marketplace app. Provide an integration name. This name can later be used to reference the Jira integration in your Codefresh pipelines. Next, open the Codefresh app link. Click on Get It Now to install the app to your Atlassian account. Note that Codefresh currently needs to provide you with access to the application. You will be asked to confirm the installation. Once the installation is finished, go to the app menu in your Jira account and access Manage Your Apps. Please select the User Installed Apps filter. This is where you will find the Codefresh CI/CD platform integration. Expand the Codefresh CI/CD integration and click on Configure. This will provide you with your organization URL and the client key. Copy the client key, and let's paste that into the Codefresh Jira integration settings. Now that we have all the necessary configuration in place, let's test our integration to ensure the credentials are set up correctly. Great, looks like everything's working. Go ahead and save this integration. Next, we will review how to integrate this into a deployment pipeline. Now that we've reviewed how to set up the integration, let's show how it integrates with a Codefresh deployment pipeline. To showcase the functionality, we've integrated a Kubernetes cluster with Argo installed into Codefresh and set up the GitOps dashboard. Let's navigate to our pet store project, open up our staging pipeline, and take a look at the workflow. This workflow has 4 distinct stages: clone, build application, enrich image, and manifests. Our primary area of focus is the enrich image stage. Let's scroll down and take a closer look at the step. Here you can see the step that will automatically extract the Jira issue from the branch name and link it into a Codefresh deployment. Let's go ahead and run the pipeline. We can select our branch here if we need to, and hit run. For the sake of this demo, we will review a previous deployment from earlier today. As you can see, we have our enrich image step, which has found an associated Jira issue. If we click on the Argo CD deployment step, we can see that the Jira issue has been associated with the deployment. Navigating over to our GitOps dashboard, we can locate our pet store project for staging environment, and we can see the information about the history of our deployments with their rollback capabilities, as well as who pushed the latest commits and what Jira issues are associated with those commits. Let's see how we can also follow this information directly into Jira. If I click on the issue, I can now see that this issue is part of a release by clicking on the Releases section, and the deployment link would take you directly to the Codefresh dashboard. You can also review the Jira Deployments dashboard to get more detailed information about what issues were delivered with each recent release. If you select any of these releases, it will link back to the Codefresh GitOps dashboard. As you can see, using Codefresh and Jira together can really help accelerate your software delivery practices and provide greater visibility into each release. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this will get you as excited about Codefresh with Jira as we are.